Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing for January of 2024. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So when you first open it up, you're going to have this little pamphlet thing right here that's going to tell you a little bit about it, like some of the products that are in it. You can see just like that. I'm just going to set it right here to make it a little easier on me. So the first thing is going to be by that brand right there. And it is a volume blow dry spray instant root lift mega volume. So it's by Paradox. We are Paradox. So you want to apply this to towel dried hair and blow dry. So I will be trying this out. It is 100 milliliters or 3.38 fluid ounces. So that's the first thing. The second thing that I got in the box is this right here. It's Dr. Scrub, and it is by that brand right there. And it is a daily facial exfoliator that adds hydration and removes dead surface skin, revealing brighter, radiant, healthier looking skin. So pretty much it's going to be like an exfoliator. So it's going to be like kind of gritty. You're going to want to scrub your face with it, and it's going to take all your dead skin off. I do like these, especially because I get dry skin sometimes, like right through here. Although I'm super oily, it's because of my face wash. So I do like to use this when I do get that dead skin, because something like that really does help. So that's the second thing. The next thing that I got in the box is this right here. And it is by this brand right here. And they are some eye brushes, which you can never have enough eye brushes, I find. So let me go ahead and take them out. Ooh, I love the like kind of metallic looking purple. So the first brush is this one right here, which would be a really good like just foundation brush. I got a little bit of foundation just doing that because my oily skin. They're very pretty. I really like these. This is like a concealer brush to like put your concealer on. I'll be actually using these. So I'm going to keep them up here on my makeup desk. And then you have this right here, which would be good for like brushing off powder after you set it. Or you can use it for like an all over eyeshadow. So very nice brushes. And I love that like this part, they all have interesting shapes. Like this one's squared. Like it's squared off. And then this one is like kind of pinched right here. And then kind of goes to a point. So it comes down and then to a point. And then this one's the same as that one. No, this one's more like flat. So very cool. I'll be using those. Go ahead and take this paper. So next thing that's in the box is this right here. It's by Ren, and it is a Glow Daily Vitamin C Gel Cream. Let me go ahead and see what it looks like. I'm not going to open this because I have a lot of creams that I'm using right now. Like I switched from so many different brands. Oops. This is what it looks like. Like you can't go wrong with skincare. And it has vitamin C, which is great for your skin. So, pretty sure this is the last thing. Let me make sure. Yes. So the last thing that's in the box is this right here. It is it's Pillow Talk Poet. And it is a roll-on lotion. I believe I picked this and then the hair. No, I picked this and the makeup brushes. So there was two choices that I got to pick, and that's what I picked. And I love the smell of this. Like I want to buy a full size of this because it is just so good. Let me go ahead. It's just like really clean smelling. like, it's hard to describe. It kind of smells a little bit like very sweet, florally, clean, and refreshing. I think that it's like, I don't know. It also has like a very like sexy type smell. It's just so good. And I asked my husband if he likes this one, and he does like this one, which I bought the Coco Chanel Lady Mademoiselle, and he does not like that smell. And I personally like it. But he says it smells like an old lady. So, I mean, I spent over $200 on that perfume, so I'm going to use that perfume because I spent so much money on it, but he doesn't like it. So every time I'm wearing it, I'm like, I know that he doesn't like it. I was hoping that it would grow on him, but it has not. So he does like this one. So if I'm wanting him to like the way I smell that day, I'll be putting this one on. And then just days that I just want to smell good to me, I'll put on the other one. So I am excited about this one because it smells so good. And since he likes it, I'd like to, after I use my other one, because that one, I spent way too much money on that, so I have to use that one first. But yes, I will definitely be using this. Let me go ahead and see what the total value of this month's box was, and I'll let you guys know. Okay, so the total value of the variation that I received is $213, which is a still, I believe it's under $30 that you pay for it. I don't even remember anymore because my husband pays for it. But I mean, that's a lot of products. Stuff that I would never have normally purchased. Like, I would have probably never purchased, like, any of these. The brushes, I might have. The perfume, if I would have smelt it, I would have totally purchased that. But you never know if it's going to be something that you're going to love and it's going to be, like, your new holy grail product. So that's why I like Ipsy, Boxycharm, like, subscription boxes, because you're getting to try stuff that maybe you wouldn't necessarily buy. But even just like one of these products are going to be like the price of the entire box. So you're getting to try out like a lot of different products for the price that you normally would have paid for one product. So I think that's a really good deal. I definitely will be using everything that's in this box. It was a hit for me. I love skincare. I'm starting to drink like a gallon of water a day. I've been working out, so I'm trying to get like really back on my healthy wagon. If you've been following me through the years, I went from 124 pounds. I'm up to 151, which I've been working out for 3 weeks, and I think I've gained like a pound of muscle or something. It may be because I'm taking creatine and stuff. Maybe water weight, or because I'm drinking so much water, because I have gained a pound. But I know I feel better, and I'm already like, I don't know, I already like can tell a difference in like the way I feel, and I just feel more confident when I'm working out. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm trying to just be on more healthier in general, like with the things that I eat, and with staying active. So yeah, you guys keep me accountable. Like, seriously, I need accountability. But that pretty much completes this review, or this unboxing. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, because that helps to support my channel. If you would like, you can leave me a comment, because it helps the algorithm, I can't even talk, the algorithm of my channel, and will get my video pushed out a little more. So I would really much appreciate that if you wouldn't mind doing that. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye. God bless.